Hi, welcome to Think Big Digital, and today I will show you how to adjust video speed in Capcut. Let's open our app, and as you can see I already have a project opened in here. Now to increase or decrease the speed of the clip, I'd have to tap on a clip and then click on speed. Now if I click on normal, it will give me an option to increase or decrease the speed of the video, and I can also choose to change the audio pitch along with the speed. And if you want a smoother slow motion for your video, you can always choose to switch to the Pro subscription. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.